Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 90 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down and tap on the display. Here we have to again scroll down and choose the status bar, and at the very bottom of the list we've got battery indicator, so let's enter. And as you can see here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. The very first one is obviously right now applied, and you can say it because this option is ticked and highlighted, so we can only see the status, the battery icon on the status bar. After tapping on this option you can see, I hope that you can see that inside the battery icon we've got the percentage of the battery, and after choosing this one we've got the exact percentage right next to the battery icon. What's more, we've got this fourth option, and as you can see here we actually cannot see the battery, but at the very top of the screen we can see the green line. I hope that you can see it also, and it will get smaller according to the usage of the battery, so it's quite a cool option, I suppose. Obviously you can choose which option you'd like to use. I think I will pick this one, and this is how to change and how to activate the battery percentage in this device. So actually that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.